Oh, hey guys. Today I'm going to show you how to open up Photoshop and draw yourself a good pickle Rick on a Mac computer. First, you're going to go down your bottom left and look for the Finder tool. It kind of looks like this retarded guy right here. You just click on that, and you'll see that it opens up this nice little file box. Okay. So you're going to go up here to the top right. You're going to click that little search bar and type in Photoshop. Oh, whoops. Shop. And we're gonna. So here. I have a better option. So we're actually gonna go down here to the bottom right. And you see it says Adobe Photoshop CC28. We're just gonna click on that. Now you can see we have opened up Adobe Photoshop CC. So we're gonna go up here to the top left and we're gonna hit File and go to New. And we're gonna go ahead and this is gonna pop up. This doesn't matter. We don't care about this. We're just gonna hit create. All right. So now we have our little drawing area open up, our canvas, as Bob Ross would say. So we're gonna just choose a nice little green color here. You know? We're gonna just. All right. So this is the outline for our pickle. We're gonna give him some nice little scratch marks, like it's a pickle, whatever. Now you're gonna get a little black color so we can make his eyes. We're gonna give him a little eye, you know, 2 of them. You know, everybody's that have a little friend. Now we're gonna give him a nice smile. And he's gonna say, 6 take Rick.
How do you rotate an image?
And there you go, ladies and gentlemen. That's how you draw yourself a nice pickle Rick on a Mac computer. And look forward to more tech videos with you guys next time on 6 Tech Productions. You can stop the video now.
No.
Yeah, now you can. Hit the red square.